Most people open Clay, get confused in 5 minutes, burn credits and wait. Not because Clay is hard, but because no one explained it properly. In this video, I will show you Clay the simple way, like a smart spreadsheet that does work for you. By the end of this video, you will know what Clay really is, who should and should not use it, how Clay pricing model, how Clay pricing actually works, and how people use it to build real B2B lead list. No hype, no theory, just real use. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about B2B lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you don't miss my next video. Before you go, if you are struggling with B2B lead generation, scraping leads, verifying emails, or you scared of spam and bans, I have created something free for you. It's called B2B Lead Generation Starter Kit, no coding. I made it because I personally failed when I started. I brought leads, sent emails, got 0 replies, and almost burned my email account. This guide I show you exact process. I wish someone had explained to me step by step without tools hype. You can download it free from the link below. Also, you can subscribe my email newsletter. I will try to send email every Friday. You can easily learn more advanced tips and hacks about B2B lead generation, how to find clients, and many more. So don't forget to join my email newsletter, guys. So guys, let's dive in. What is Clay? Clay is not magic. Clay is not complicated software. Clay is a smart spreadsheet. If you ever used Google Sheet or Excel, you already understand about half of Clay. This is Clay's dashboard. This is a table just like a spreadsheet. But here's the difference. Clay can go outside, find information, and bring it back automatically. Think about it like this. Row are people or companies. Column are information. Enrichment means Clay doing the work for you. For example, instead of manually searching LinkedIn, Clay pulls LinkedIn data for you. Right now, don't worry about pricing. First, understand the value. Now guys, I will explain who should and should not use Clay. Let me be honest. Clay is not for everyone. Clay is great if you do B2B lead generation, cold email, sales outreach, agency prospecting, but Clay is not good for you if you want personal email, if you want one-time scrapping, if you don't want to practice, if you expect instant result without learning. If that sounds like you, Clay will feel expensive. If you are serious, Clay feels powerful. Now I will explain Clay pricing slowly and clearly. I will start with the free plan, then move up one plan at a time, so you always know what you get and what you don't. Let's start with the free plan. This is the foundation. Free plan, they provide 1200 credit per year, unlimited user. You can edit as many people as you want. Clay does not charge per user. Clay charges by credits. People or company charges up to 100 search. This is for testing and learning. Sculptor helps clean and shape data. Think of it like trimming extra info. Sequencer shows how workflow work, but it's very limited. You can export your data, meaning you can download your leads. AI Clay Agent. Clay Agent is Clay AI helper. It helps understand and clean data, but usage is limited. Rule over credits. If you don't use credit, they rule over. You don't lose them. They provide 100 integration provider. You also get access to many integration, email tools, data tools, automation tools, but with limits of 100. Scheduling. You can schedule some action rules. Guys, the free plan is good for learning, not for scale. Now you choose starter plan. Everything from free plus more power. This plan you will pay $134 per month. This starter provides 20,000 credit per year. This plan you can search up to 5,000 people or company at once. This is where real lead list begin. You can now enrich phone number. This plan you can use your own API key, which gives more control and can save credit. You also get signal. For example, guys, company hiring, company funding. This helps with timing. This plan is good for freelancer, solo founder, small outreach. When you choose Explorer plan, this plan you will pay $314 every single month. They provide 120k credits per year. This is where Clay becomes advanced. You can search up to 25,000 people or companies. This plan you can connect any HTTP API, almost any tools. You get webhook, so so tool can talk to each other automatically. You can connect email sequencing tools. You can exclude people or company with saved credit. This plan is ideal for agency, cold email marketers, service provider. When you choose Pro plan, this plan you will pay $720 every single month. They provide 600 credit per year. This is the scaling plan. You can search up to 50,000 people or companies. This plan you can get web intent, interest and behavior signal. This plan you can connect your CRMs directly. You get unlimited rows. You get up to 40 actions columns per table. When you choose custom plan, this plan you can get unlimited row. You can get up 40 action columns per table. You get advanced AI prompting. You get data engineering tools. You get dedicated Slack support. You get full credit analytics. This plan you get SSO for teams. This plan is for people already making money with Clay. If you need this, you already know. So guys, we explain again who should use which plan. Let me be very honest. Use free if you are just learning. Use starter if you are solo and testing. Use explorer if you want clients or outreach. Use pro if Clay already makes you money. And do not buy Clay if you want not practice. You can easily find this Clay tools link in my description below and create your sign up account and explore these tools. So guys, Clay is not magic. Clay does not replace thinking. If you don't have a clear target, a clear goal, a clear workflow, Clay will waste your credits. But if you understand the basic, Clay becomes one of the strongest tools you can use. In the next video, I will show you how I actually use Clay step by step. No theory, real table, real workflow. Watch that before you spend a single dollar. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe my channel if you don't miss my next Clay video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So guys, you can easily find Clay sign up link in my description below and start Clay explore. And don't forget to download my B2B Lead Generation starter kit. You can easily find this download kit in my description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe.